Okay, so with this question, we have 3/4 of a pitcher is filled with pineapple juice. The pitcher is emptied by pouring an equal amount of juice into each of 5 cups. What percent of the total capacity did each cup receive? Okay, so we know that it's 3/4. So this is filled with 3/4, and that's divided into 5. So 3/4, if we divide that by 5, that gives us 3/4 times 1/5. And so this gives us 3 out of 20. All right, so each cup, each of the 5 cups is going to get 3 out of 20 of the entire pitcher. Okay, so let's see. So it's 3 out of 20. And that as a percentage, we can multiply by 5/5, right? Because if we multiply that denominator, we get something over 100, and percent just means out of 100. And so when we multiply the top, 3 times 5, we get 15. So this is 15%. Yep, each one will receive 15%. Together, the 5 of them would be 75%, and 75% is the same as 3/4. So the answer here is going to be C. All right.